Experiencing channel tuning problems with your YouView box? You're not alone. These issues are common and often arise from various technical factors affecting digital television reception. To understand these problems, we need to know how digital terrestrial television works. TV signals are transmitted from broadcast towers to your aerial, then processed by your YouView box before reaching your television. YouView boxes require a minimum signal strength of 45 to 50 dB boomer volts for reliable reception. Signal quality, measured in decibels, is often more important than raw signal strength. Let's look at what these numbers mean. There are four main causes of YouView tuning problems. First is weak signal strength, typically below 40 dB mobile vol. Second is interference from 4G and 5G mobile networks or electrical devices. Third is transmitter maintenance causing temporary power reductions. Fourth is aerial or cable degradation over time. Interference from mobile networks is a growing problem. LTE filters can help reduce this interference. Here you can see the difference between a TV antenna with and without an LTE filter. The filter provides cleaner signal reception. Your aerial system is crucial for good reception. Different aerial types and orientations can affect signal quality. Regular inspection of your aerial and cables helps maintain optimal performance. To start troubleshooting, access your YouView box's signal strength information through the Settings menu. Check all multiplexes, not just the missing channels, and document the signal levels before making any changes. This baseline information is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The first and most important step in fixing YouView tuning issues is performing a full retune, not a quick retune. This clears any corrupted channel data that may be causing problems. During the retune process, disconnect your aerial cable during the initial scan phase. This completely clears the memory, then reconnect the aerial and complete the full scan for best results. Next, perform a thorough physical inspection of your aerial system. Check your aerial alignment and condition, and carefully examine all coaxial cable connections for signs of corrosion or damage. Remember that 78% of signal problems are actually related to aerial system degradation rather than equipment faults. A thorough physical inspection often reveals the root cause. Test signal levels at multiple points in your system. Check the signal at the aerial, any splitters, and finally at your YouView box. This helps identify exactly where signal loss is occurring. For advanced troubleshooting, monitor signal variations throughout the day. Signal strength can change due to atmospheric conditions, interference, or transmitter maintenance work. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, consider advanced solutions. Signal amplification can help with weak signals, while 4G and 5G filters can eliminate mobile network interference. Finally, establish a preventive maintenance routine. Perform a full retune every 3 to 4 months and schedule a professional aerial inspection every 5 years to prevent problems before they occur. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will resolve most YouView tuning issues. Remember that patience and methodical testing are key to identifying and fixing signal problems effectively.